Hey there! Did you know that over 40% of small business owners experienced burnout over the last month? With inflation still running high, it's important for you as a business owner to ensure you have multiple streams of income, which is why we invite you to check out our latest real estate syndication investment as a way to supplement and eventually replace the income from your business. Now, you've probably heard of Robert Kiyosaki's cash flow quadrant. Most people are stuck in the employee category where they have a job and are trading time for money. As a business owner, you've broken out of that and are either in the S or B quadrant, but how do you break free and become not only a true business owner, but the ultimate goal, an investor, so your money can be working for you? And that's where real estate syndications come in, and it's why so many small business owners like yourself have turned to the power of passive investing to help them supplement and replace the income from their businesses to achieve that ultimate freedom and flexibility. At Goodegg Investments, we're business owners ourselves, and we know how important it is to create a path for your business to be able to scale and sustain itself, perhaps even without you. And real estate syndications can be a great way to help you get there. So if you're ready to put your money to work for you so you can replace the income from your business and make sure your capital is working hard for you, we invite you to invest alongside us in our next real estate syndication opportunity. Click to get started now.